With me here is a 2025 GCE question 2, and then we have question A right here, which reads express 5 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 2 as a fraction in its lowest terms. Okay, so let's dive into it. So 5 x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 2. First thing, we need to look for the common denominator. So right here, the common denominator is no other than x minus 1 as well as x minus 2. Okay, so both of these will be our common denominators. Then here's what we'll do. So x minus 1 can go into x minus 1, and then we're going to remain with a remainder of x minus 2. And then this x minus 2 will be multiplied by 5. Short form of doing this is just get the 5 which is on top on my left to cross multiply it with the x minus 2 on the other side. And this will be 5 x minus 2. Okay. Then equally x minus 2 into x minus 2, that will give us 1. And then this will be the remainder. Then the remainder will go into will be multiplied by the 2 on top. Shortest form is just get this. This is negative 2. Cross multiply it with x minus 1. Okay. So that's basically the first step. After this, we can go ahead and expand this. So that will give us 5x. And here you get negative 10. This is negative 2x. Negative and negative will get positive. Okay. And then 2 and 1, you get your 2. Just like that. Remember, this is over x minus 1 and x minus 2. Thereafter, we can see that we have some like terms, this and that. Let's put them together. 5x minus 2x. The other side we have negative 10, then plus 2. Everything x minus 1 and x minus 2. Now, right here, this will give us 3x, and this will be negative 8. Everything divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Once you do that, the problem is done. Okay. Question 2, we are told to find the equation of a tangent to the curve y is equals to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x minus 4 at x is equals to 1. Okay, so whenever you are looking for the equation of a tangent or equation of a normal, you simply have to go through these steps. Step 1, we have to differentiate this given function. So this will be dy dx is equals to 3x power 3 minus 1, then minus this times this, that will be 10x 2 minus 1. Remember here you have your power 1, so 1 times 8, this is going to give us 8x the power 1 minus 1, and any constant number is equated to 0. So this will give us our dy dx to be 3x squared minus 10x, and this is plus 8. And then remember x to the power 0 will be equal to 1, and 1 times 8, it will be just 8. After getting to this point now, we can go ahead and find the gradient. So the formula for the gradient, so this will be gradient is equal to, now remember we have been given the value of x to be 1. So here we'll replace 1 and 1 there. So and this is how it's going to be. Then this will be just 3 minus 10, and this is plus 8. Okay, so the gradient will therefore be this right here will give us negative 2, and 3 minus 2, that's 1. So now we have the gradient. After getting the gradient, we can now go ahead and introduce the equation of a line. Okay, so the equation of a straight line is given by y minus y1, okay, equal to m x minus x1. Okay, now when you look at this equation right here, we need the gradient, we need the value of y1 and x1. What do we have? Okay, we only have x, which is the right here, x is equals to 1. So we don't really have the value for y, which we're going to replace right here. So that means we first of all need to find the value of y1. How do we do it? We'll get the equation right here, this equation given in the question. So we'll use this equation in order for us to find the value of y1 here. So let's do that. This is going to be y is equal to, so where there's x, I'll replace 1. Okay, remember we are trying to get the value of y1 so that we can use this equation to find the equation of the line. Okay, so this will be 1 power 3 minus 5 1 squared, and this is plus 8, this is 1, then minus 4. Okay, so y will be equal to, this will be just 1 minus, that will be 5 times 1 here, that will be 5, 8 times 1, that's just 8, and this is minus 4. So y gets to be 8 minus 4, that's just 8 minus 4, that's 4, and then negative 5 plus 4, that's negative 1, and then y minus 1, that is going to give us 0. Okay, so the value of y is 0, and that is exactly what we are going to replace right here. So let's go ahead and do it. 1 minus 0 is equal to the gradient. Okay, the value of m, we have 1 here, so that will be 1 x minus, for x1 we have 1 there. Okay, now let's go ahead. So y will be equal to, this is x, and that is negative 1. Finally, this is the answer. So these were the solutions to question 2A and B 2025 GCE. Okay.